Very good morning to all of you. We have discussed the poem The Cold Within by James Patrick Kinney in a previous class. We will be discussing the main themes in this class so that you can have no difficulty in understanding the poem. So the first very important theme is futility of discrimination. The poem deals with the theme of futility of discrimination or hatred that humans have against one another. The poem projects discrimination based on race, class, and religion by narrating the story of 6 people who got together by chance. They had terrible hatred against one another. The discrimination, racism proves to be futile as these 6 people actually died at the end of the poem. They did not die from the cold outside, but due to the cold hatredness that was there in their heart within. Right? The second theme is lack of warmth in human relations. The 6 men in the poem can be seen as representative of the whole human race. It is sad that these men are overtaken by their feelings of revenge, spite and anger, such an extent that eventually that caused their downfall at the end. The 6 humans were devoid of humanity, and when they were going through the same situation, they cannot cooperate. Warmth and compassion for each other not seen in them. Each of them has a log that can be put to use not only for others but also for themselves. However, their differences surpass their survival instinct. The lack of warmth is the best expressed in the line, they are dying fire in need of logs. Literally, it refers to the fire that is dying and needs to be kept alive with the use of log. Actually, here it is the fire of compassion which wanted, the log of love. If they can provide that, then all the 6 men's life can be saved at last, but they did not do so. They all are concerned about themselves so much that at the end they died, and they died from the cold within. Outside cold could have been taken care of only if they were not cold from within, right? Hopefully you have gone through all the questions that have been already provided to you. Now you will also get certain few questions that are left. After going through all the question answers and after going through the themes and the poem once again, hopefully there will be no problem at all. If anything have, then please feel free to mention, and after that very soon we will conduct another revision test. So please read carefully because you won't get the time. Please utilize that wisely. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.